In my first question to the King James Onlyist group, I asked what the perfect translation of the Bible was for Hebrew speakers. What I found out was, and I did not know this about the King James Onlyists, was that the majority of them believe that the King James Version is the only perfect translation. In other words, if you want to read the perfect Bible, you have to learn English first. Their argument is that God uses the dominant language of the world to preserve His Word. That's a fair argument. So my second question to the King James Onlyists is this. If God uses the dominant language of the world to preserve His Word, which is English today and Greek 2,000 years ago, why did He choose to use a very obscure language like Hebrew, which was only spoken by a small handful of people, to give His original message? Why didn't He use the dominant language of that day, which would have been Egyptian or Akkadian?